Welcome to a quick lesson on how to determine the effective annual yield on the TI-84 graphing calculator. I do have another video that shows how to determine the effective annual yield by hand. The effective annual yield, also called the effective annual rate or annual equivalent rate, is the simple interest rate that would produce the same return at the end of 1 year as an account that paid compounded interest. And the compounded interest rate is called the nominal rate. The effective annual yield is a way of comparing different investment accounts that pay different compounded interest. And it can also be used for loans, since a loan is an investment for the person or company making the loan. Here's the formula used to determine the effective annual rate by hand, where Y is the effective annual rate, R is the interest rate as a decimal, and N is the number of compounds per year. But for this video, we're going to show how to determine the effective annual rate on the graphing calculator. So let's look at our examples. Here you're asked to determine the effective annual yield of the following two accounts if you invest $5,000. And the one thing you'll notice about the formula for the effective annual yield is it doesn't require the initial amount or the principal. So we're going to press the Apps key, select the Finance menu, which is the first one, press Enter. And now we need to find EFF located under C. So I'm going to press the up arrow, and then notice here's the command that we want, EFF. Press Enter, and now we're going to type in the actual percent as a percentage, not as a decimal. So we'll type in 4.9, comma, and then N, which is the number of compounds per year. Since it's monthly and there's 12 months in 1 year, N is 12. Press Enter, and our effective annual yield will be approximately 5.01%. And let's go ahead and try one more. Again, we'll press Apps, Enter, scroll up to C for EFF, press Enter. Interest rate is 8%, comma. This account is compounded quarterly, and there are 4 quarters in 1 year, so N is 4. Close parenthesis, press Enter. Our effective annual yield is approximately 8.24%. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process. But remember, one of the main differences is in the formula, we express the rate as a decimal, and on the calculator, we enter in as a percentage. I hope you found this helpful.